A demolition drive allegedly targeting Muslim homes in Congress-ruled Karnataka.
A Dalit has been lynched in Kerala. The government there should concentrate on law and order.
Incident happened in Karnataka, no doubt. But actually, this is a bulldozer Raj.
And an all-out political slugfest with left targeting Congress. Bengaluru demolition drive, where alleged illegal homes of Muslims were razed, has now exploded. After over 200 houses in Bengaluru, the drive left many homeless and helpless.
अब हम लोग किधर जाए? अब पुलिस वाले आए थे तोड़ने के लिए, बोला भी नहीं, बताया भी नहीं, ऐसे ही आया। सुबह सुबह सब सो रहे थे, आया और तोड़ने को चालू हो गया।
Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan fired bulldozer Raj jibes at the Karnataka government and accused it of bulldozing homes to uproot Muslim families.
This is a bulldozer Raj under the Congress regime. That is the news value, and that is the political significance of this incident.
The Congress Sarkara in Karnataka, however, defended the bulldozer run, calling it essential to fight land grab by mafia elements, and also asked Kerala Chief Minister to focus on his own state.
It is all political statement, political protest and anything. We don't want anyone to this one. Without knowing the fact, Mr. Pinarayi should not interfere with our state affairs. It is all political gimmicks at the time of the elections.
What has happened brutal in Kerala is the murder of a Dalit. A Dalit has been lynched in Kerala. I think the government there should concentrate on law and order within its state rather than worry about what we are doing.
Congress High Command was, however, angry with Siddaramaiah government, with the party's General Secretary and Rahul Gandhi's Lieutenant K.C. Venugopal targeting Congress' own government and seeking greater sensitivity. The rift within Congress and its war with ally left prompted the BJP to launch a scathing attack on Congress for undermining functioning of its own elected government.
Appeasement politics we are hearing enough by Siddaramaiah government. Rather than commenting on what Kerala Chief Minister has said, let him take care of his government in Kerala. But whereas Karnataka is concerned, people are really fed up with the Siddaramaiah government because of this minority appeasement politics.
It is completely exposed the Congress government in the state of Karnataka. It is inefficient. It is anti-people. It is an appeasement government.
Is the Karnataka government in a catch-22 situation, running foul of the Congress High Command for raising what it calls illegal homes of encroachers?
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.